Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you how to remove text box outline from your text in Microsoft Word without any stress and without losing the format of the text. How do you do that? First thing first, go ahead and select the outline from the text. Once you select the outline from the text, right click on it and then go ahead and come down to Format Shape down below right here. Go ahead and click on Format Shape. And the details about the shape is going to be here right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on outline. So once you expand the outline, go ahead and click on no line right here. Once you click on no line, you come back to your word document right here. You find out that the line is no longer appear in the text. It's that simple. More useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Microsoft Word. Consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.